Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to install this daemon tool on your Windows computer because of this error, that is dtlite.exe operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. To fix this error, you can open Windows settings and then go to privacy and security. Now click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection and then scroll down. Here you can see virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Scroll down at the very bottom, you will see exclusion option. So click on add or remove exclusions. Click on yes to allow. Click on add an exclusion. Click on file and select. You can go to downloads wherever the exe file that installer is installed, downloaded. Select this file and then click on open. Once this is done, now you can go to the download location and then make a double click. Click on yes to allow. And this time you should not receive that error anymore and you should be able to install it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.